Is there a burning ambition nestled deep within you? An aspiration so profound it keeps you awake at night? Now, imagine a world where you can bring that ambition to life, where you can make that dream a reality. Once upon a time in an ordinary town, lived an ordinary individual named Alex. Alex was like many of us, caught in the monotony of life, yet within his heart a flame of ambition flickered. He yearned to become a renowned author, to weave stories that would captivate the hearts and minds of readers worldwide. But dreams don't just materialize out of thin air. They require vision, planning, and above all, commitment. So Alex began to set his goals. He didn't just say, "I want to become a writer." No, he was specific. He wanted to write a novel, a thriller that would keep readers on the edge of their seats. He broke down his goal into manageable pieces. Write an outline by the end of the month, draft a chapter every week, finish the manuscript in 6 months. Each small victory fueled his motivation, pushing him closer to his ultimate goal. But the journey wasn't smooth sailing. There were days of self-doubt, writer's block, and criticism. Yet Alex never wavered. He embraced the challenges, acknowledging that they were part of the process. He understood that every setback was an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become better. A year passed, then another. And finally, after countless hours of dedication and hard work, Alex's dream became a reality. His novel hit the shelves, receiving rave reviews from readers and critics alike. He had achieved his goal, not because of luck or chance, but because he dared to dream, to plan, and to persevere. Alex's story is a testament to the power of goal setting and the relentless pursuit of one's dreams. His journey underscores several key points. First, be specific in your goals. The more precise you are, the clearer your path towards achieving them becomes. Second, break down your goals into manageable tasks. This makes the journey less overwhelming, and each small victory will serve as a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. Third, embrace the challenges. They are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth and learning. And finally, perseverance is key. Dreams don't come true overnight. They require patience, resilience, and unwavering dedication. So hold that ambition close, set your goals, and embark on your journey. Remember, your dreams are valid, and with the right mindset and determination, they are within your reach. As Alex's story has shown us, it's not just about the destination, but about the journey and the person you become along the way.